Still.
Yeah, I see. That's yours. You don't want to hold it anymore?
Jakey.
You want to hold the flower? Oh, everything goes straight to the mouth, doesn't it?
Of course.
How's that? Is that better?
Yeah, that looks cute.
Okay.
Yeah, that's great. Snickies. Jakey. Jakey, can I see you in the mirror? Jakey.
Frankie likes to boogie down. She even loves the funky sound. Frankie. Hey, Frankie.
Can you wave to mommy? Jakey. Jake. Jakey. Hi.
Got a hair in your nose. Jake, can you look at me and smile? Yeah, there you can smile. Big smile. It's just like confused. Like, what is she doing?